In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Anchored VWAP on Tradingview. We'll walk through getting it on your chart, choosing a meaningful anchor, customizing the display, adding deviation bands, and how to quickly reposition it as your analysis evolves. Start by opening charts in Tradingview so you are looking at the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. With a clean chart in front of you, head to the left-hand toolbar. Find the Forecasting and Measurement Tools menu. It's the section near the long and short position tools, and click the small arrow to expand it. From that list, select Anchored VWAP. Your cursor will become ready to anchor the tool. Next, choose your anchor point. Click directly on the specific bar where you want the calculation to begin. Ideal anchors are places where market behavior may have reset. High volume candles, session opens, or major swing highs and lows. Anchoring there tells the VWAP to calculate the volume-weighted average price from that exact moment forward. This helps you see where the bulk of trading occurred since a key event, and it often acts as dynamic support or resistance that traders respect. To tailor the look and make sure it's readable, double-click the AVWAP line to open the settings. Adjust the line color, thickness, and style so it stands out against your background and other indicators. A high contrast color and a slightly thicker line can make it easier to track during fast markets. Inside the same settings window, you can enable standard deviation bands. Turning these on adds bands above and below the anchored VWAP at set statistical distances. When price pushes to a positive deviation band, it can highlight potential overbought conditions relative to the anchor. Touching a negative band can suggest potential oversold conditions. Many traders start with one or two bands and then refine based on the asset's volatility and their own risk tolerance. Use them as context, not a standalone signal. If the anchor point needs to change, you don't have to delete and start over. Simply click and drag the anchored point to a new bar to recalculate from there. You can also open the settings and change the timestamp if you prefer precise control. This flexibility lets you test how price behaves from different events like a session open versus a swing high without cluttering your chart. That's the workflow. Thanks for watching.